Good day, all our chef givers, home and abroad. Thank you for supporting Chef Givers Incorporation. Thank you for supporting Orated Sadat Foundation. Here with me is Mrs. Rashidat Lukman. She's here to pick the sewing machine all the way from First Start Zone. She's a widow. We want to appreciate all our chef givers for supporting us. Without you supporting us, we will not be able to reach out to the needy. Thank you for always supporting us whenever we call on you. We pray to God to answer your prayers. Mrs. Rashidat, what do you have to say to all our chef givers in corporation?
Thank you. I appreciate I pray for them. May God provide for them.
Amen.
I thank for them. Yín lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ Ọlọ́run á máa fi ọ̀pọ̀ rọ́pò á dẹ̀ bá mi rò ó lọ́wọ́. Àánú kò ní jìnnà sí yín o. Ẹni rí kú ọkọ ní kékeré o. Àwọn ọmọ yín á dàgbà wọn á dògbò mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín bọ̀. Àgbéga ńláńlá Ọlọ́run á máa bá mi bá yín Ọlọ́run á bá mi sọ yín. Inú mi dùn púpọ̀ lórí oore tí ẹ ṣe fún mi.
Thank you so much.